Hey, Coach Greg here, it's About Training, and we are on day 7 of our 10-day Sculpt and Sweat Workout Challenge. We're gonna focus on our core today. We are gonna go right now. All right, 30 seconds on the clock. We have some side leg lifts. We go in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Bring up one leg to the side, bring up the other. Try not to kick anything that's around you. Here you go. You're just trying to pull with your hip flexor. Just like that. Try to keep that blade of your foot parallel to the ground. We want to make sure we're activating our obliques, our glutes, and our hip flexor. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and down. Great job. Next, we are going to do some bicycles. 30 seconds on the clock. Stand up nice and tall. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Hands behind our head. We're bringing one knee over to greet our elbow. So make sure they say hello. We're really twisting over. Try to open up when you're at the top. Crunch on over. Go up nice and slow. You can have more of a wider stance so that helps you get your knee over. Breathe. And let's sculpt and sweat our core. 3, 2, 1, and down. We're gonna go right into prisoner squats. Keep your hands behind your head. We go in 3, 2, 1, and we are squatting down. This allows us to open up our rib cage, open up our obliques. Try to keep a nice posture here. It's from the side. You don't have to go all the way down. I want my back flat, my core is tight. Elbows are back. I mean, they could be up here if you'd like, but I like them back here. Really just make sure you are open. There it is, stand up nice and tall. We are crushing these. 3, 2, let's do one more, and done. Last exercise, we have our kick crunch. This is where we add our little cardio flavor, if you will. We go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So we're just kicking out in front of us, trying to tap our foot or our shin. Just like this. We're crunching over, boom. Leg does not have to be perfectly straight. The goal is we're trying to work out our hip flexors and our lower abs while also activating our upper. Feet just gives you a target to aim for as you're reaching. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. You are crushing this. So grab some water, drink some if you need, but we are going to crush these next 2 sets. I'm going to stop talking. Music's going up. We're going to have some fun. Side leg lifts. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Bicycles. 3, 2, 1, go. Prisoner squats. 3, 2, 1, go. Kick crunch. 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, 2 sets down, now 1 more to go. Side leg lifts, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Bicycles, 3, 2, 1, go. Prisoner squats, 3, 2, 1, go. Kick crunch, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That is day 7 done. Give yourself one of these and one of these. You earned it. You have to get back into the practice of rewarding yourself, congratulating yourself on doing workouts, things like this. Even if it seems small, positive self-talk, come on, it matters. So reward yourself. I'm sure your body already has that dopamine and everything flowing through you. You feel good, you feel ready to tackle the day. But tune in tomorrow with day 8 with Coach Gabby. She again is gonna bring it. So hopefully you bring it as well. I will see you on day 9. Have a good one. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.